Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's been so long since I've done a hair video on my channel, and I know a lot of you guys love my hair videos, so I thought I would come on here and show you guys how I achieved this look and how I refreshed my box braids. I love to keep braids in for a while just because I really enjoy using them as a protective style and as a tool to help keep my hair healthy, help grow my hair, especially if you've been following my hair journey. I did cut my hair and I also cut bangs in, so the front of my hair was right here. And I also wanted to share tips on how I use protective styling for hair growth. So the main product that I use in this video is this Follicle Enhancer for your edges. It is from the company Edge Natural. If you've been following my channel for a few years now, then you do know that I had this terrible situation once with a protective style where it really thinned out my edges, and I don't want you guys making the same mistake. So ever since then, I have been making it a point to really focus on taking care of my edges while I protective style, because they are more exposed than the rest of your hair. And if you're like me, then you like laying your edges. And at the same time, I don't have really thick hair. My hair is more on the thinner side. It's not super thin, but it's more on the thinner side. So this is really good for regrowing thin, damaged hair, thin edges, or thinning hair. I recommend applying this once a day or twice a day. Taking care of my edges was a very huge tool that I used to grow my hair again, especially after I cut bangs in, which I still don't know why I did that, but anyway, it's just hair grows back, right? And you want to make sure you have the right tools to grow back. This product is going to be linked in the description down below. Alright, so we are going to go ahead and get started. I just want to quickly explain what's going on just because I didn't film the whole process. But before we got to this point, I did do a thorough wash day on my box braids. I washed them with shampoo and conditioner, and then I let my braids dry for a day because they do take a really long time to dry just because they're super long. And I know I definitely cannot be the only one with really sensitive skin. Usually the sulfates in the shampoo cause my scalp to dry up, and then I get dry scalp, and that's what the little flakes are in my hair. But usually those go away right after I apply my scalp oil. So if you are struggling with dry scalp, all you have to do is apply a little bit of olive oil. Aloe vera also really helps. Just a quick tip for those of you with sensitive skin, and if shampoo is really harsh on your skin, I really do recommend you just get a really good scalp moisturizer. So as you can see, I'm only renewing the first few rows of my hair just because the back isn't as visible. And usually when I tend to renew my box braids, I just like to do the first 2 to 3 rows. So this isn't necessarily a box braid tutorial, but I will just quickly explain the method that I'm using. So I am splitting my own hair 3 ways, and then I'm splitting the braiding hair 3 ways as well, and then I plant and braid. Alright, so I'm just going to do a quick length check to my hair. As I said in the beginning of this video, I did cut bangs into my hair a few months ago, and as you can see, they have grown a lot. When I first cut them, they were about 3.5 inches, and now they measure at 9 inches, so that is about 5.5 inches, which is a lot of growth. So I am officially finished refreshing my braids. Typically I would just leave them like this. This is how I usually wear my braids, but I felt like having a little fun with them, so I'm going to be putting in these curling rods and creating like spiral bouncy curls at the ends of my box braids. now that I'm finishing up putting the rollers into my hair, I'm going to get ready to put the ends into hot water, and then I'm going to let my hair dry overnight. Good morning, everyone. It is now the next day, and as you can see, my scalp is officially moisturized and my hair is dry, so the rollers are ready to be taken down. This is my favorite part. I love watching the results come together. It's very, very satisfying. So that is all for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Before we go, I do want to do the notification squad shout out, and it goes to these people on the screen. So thank you guys so much for watching my videos and for commenting and liking. I really appreciate it. If you want to be featured in my next video, all you need to do is hit the bell icon to be notified when I upload a video and be the first to comment on that video, and you get a shout out. Yeah, that is pretty much all for this video. I hope you guys have a good rest of your week. I hope you guys have a safe and healthy back to school. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.